welcome to another video by Unfiltered Tea. I hope you all are doing great. Thank you so much for showing me love and support on my very first video. You guys are amazing. I can't thank you enough for all that you've given me in the first video. Today we will be doing a very nude makeup look. So I have already done my foundation and let's get right into it. I will be using my contour by Lisa Frank for my eyes. I will be taking my blending brush. Doing the corners of my eyes and dragging it to the crease of my eyes. Using a bit of contour on the crease gives a bit depth to your eyes and it creates a very nice natural soft look. Doing a bit more. That's about it. Now we will be taking an eye defining brush. And I will be using one of my very favorite palettes by Makeup Revolution in Rose Gold. And taking this dark pink and light pink color and mixing it together for the eyelids. I will be using the same two colors to shade under my eye as well. A lot of people don't really like using pink under their eyes because it makes them look very tired, but I personally really like it, so that's what I do for my daily routine makeup. Anyway, about today's topic, we will be talking about self-love and how important it is to love yourself and understand that it is important and it is very beneficial for a person to show love towards themselves and prioritize themselves. Even if you take out half an hour in a day or 1 hour in a day just for yourself and do something that you like doing or do something that promotes your health, promotes your mental health, it will turn out to be very beneficial for you. Do anything, like if you like reading books, doing gardening, taking a foot soak, doing some skincare, taking a bath, anything would help. Anything that you like doing and anything that you feel will relax you, will put your mind at ease, start doing that. It is very beneficial, it is very good for you. Also, one thing that I have learned in my life is that if you stop giving time to yourself and if you stop focusing on yourself, you basically get more agitated, more irritated towards day-to-day things that are very normal. Day-to-day problems that you face, you start getting more frustrated on them because you're not giving time to yourself and your mind is not at ease. So in order to, function properly in your day-to-day routine, it is very necessary if you start giving time to yourself and understanding that you yourself are your own priority, and you need to understand that your needs matter as well. I do understand that in day-to-day life we don't really, consider ourselves important, and we're too busy doing everything else and everyday chores and a lot of other things that we have, like work, taking care of our children, taking care of our family, and we forget to put ourselves as priorities, or understanding that we have needs as well and we need to take care of them as well. So if you can take out half an hour or 1 hour in a day just to do what you like doing, so that your mind is at ease and you feel happy with yourself, do that. Anything would work. Absolutely anything that you love doing. Go for a walk, maybe take a bath, watch a good movie, maybe read a book, sleep a bit, take a nap, take a shower. Anything that you think will help you get right back up and finish your day off. I guess that is something very important. And moving on, I will be using my mascara by J Dot, since it is a very nice mascara and it gives a very natural look, so we will be using this one. Alright, for the blush, I will be using this blush I got from Ofra, and taking my blush brush. I always use my blush over here so that my face looks a little lifted. I like my face looking a little lifted. So I use my blush over here, but some people don't like it that way. They like their blush to be all on this side, or maybe right over here where they contour. So it's up to you, but if you want your face to look a little lifted, that is where you use the blush. Use a bit on my nose to give a sun-kissed look. For my lips, I will be using my baby lips, which might sound odd to a lot of you, but I really like baby lips. I like the pink tint it gives. I'm almost done with it, but I really like it, so I'm going to go in with that. Can't find my... Okay. So that's about it. I hope you really like the look. It's a very natural one, not too prominent on the skin, and it doesn't look too, let's just say it's not too defined, and it's not too cakey or anything. It's very natural, very day-to-day, very light makeup. I hope you really like it. Also, please don't forget to have plenty of water these days, because summers are here, and you need to start taking care of yourself and your health. Drink a lot of water, stay happy, stay positive, spread positivity, love each other, love yourself, and thank you so much for joining me.